each thread we bind. Green of forests, blue of streams, handcrafted art born from dreams. Stories woven, life and design, organic textures, patterns divine. So fashion's grace, nature's hue, timeless beauty, handmade and true. Golden sunsets, winds that play, inspired by travels, night and day. Each stitch whispers, each piece sings, a tale of life that the fiber brings. Stories woven, life and design, organic textures, patterns divine. So fashion's grace, nature's hue, timeless beauty, handmade and true. Golden sunsets, winds that play, inspired by travels, night and day. Each stitch whispers, each piece sings, a tale of life that the fiber brings. The studio's heart, where dreams take flight, art from fiber in soft sunlight. Wearable tales to cherish, to hold, crafted by hand with more than gold.